up, 2 Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new and want to be a part of the family, make sure you like this video, subscribe, show the channel some love. I'm 2 Fly B, and today I got a shoe review for y'all today, and it's another Ugg. It's a boot, my favorite color. Let's go ahead and dive into it, man. First thing is first, agreed with the box. Ugg. Y'all done seen a couple of these boxes on my channel. Got the tag, my size, my color. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe, man. Now this boot, I had really wanted just because of the color, man. My favorite color blue, like I say. And yeah, so I grabbed them. Also, you know, it's still that, you know, like, it's still winter season. But it's like, we haven't been having that much snow in Chicago. So these kind of good for, you know, these won't get messed up. This is the shoe. Now, if you see right off the back, you got Ugg over here in the corner. Alright, we're just going to do a 360 real quick. Alright. This shoe is super straightforward. Whole shoe is solid blue. In the inside, you have Ugg. You have Ugg up in there. Beige color insole. That's not blue. So, but the sides of the shoe, the tongue, up under the tongue, all of this is blue. It would have been nice, I think, if the bottom. Oh, that's nice though, because it says Ugg is beige for at the bottom. The insole is beige. But the bottom where it says Ugg, it says Ugg in the color blue. I thought it was the color black, but it's a color blue to go with the shoe. I do think it would have been better if the insole was blue fur to match the whole shoe, you know. That would have been nice. Here, you know, it's just, this is all sheet of materials like cloth. Got to be careful with this. You can get this, you can clean this. They do have Ugg solution, Ugg protecting spray. I have some. I do recommend you spray it on your Uggs if you have a pair, especially these. It comes with it's like a little Ugg kit. I recommend it. If you're gonna spend the money on the shoes, you might as well spend it to keep them clean. Maybe be like $20, $25, between $15 and $25 the kit was. Come with like a brush, a protecting spray, a spray for the insoles. So like I said, it's worth it, man. Look into it. Just put in Ugg kit. That's it for this one. Let me show you the other side. So you see this one. This is the original. I mean, this is me pulling it right out the box. See how tight it is? That's how they send it to you. So I had already loosened one up to see what it looked like, how it feel. On this shoe, you got Ugg on this side. And yeah, man, like I said, it's just like a throw-on shoe for me. I really just got it because of the color. I do like the blue. It looks nice on this shoe in person as well. And I got me a blue coat. So I'm like, I can probably pair it up. Not much to it. Got the little, look like it probably be silver or aluminum eyelets. And besides that, everything else is blue on the shoe. Every single thing. Pretty much it for the review. I'm finna get into the on feet portion. On feet, how to style. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment, share the video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at 2FlyB. Keep up with me. You know, let's connect. Snapchat Fly Man B. Make sure y'all take care of y'allself, and I'm gonna get up with y'all next video. Be smooth.